What's up, YouTubers and fellow riders? Chemist back at it again in the garage, cooking up another DIY for you. Today we're going to be tearing down Lucy Lou, getting her ready and prepped for her makeover. Lucy Lou is a 2005 Suzuki GSX-R 750, and we're going to be installing the I-fairings kit, which I have off to the side over here. Now, if you're coming new into this build or this restoration, I went ahead and made a video for you guys. Go ahead and check it out in the cards above. Now, today's temperature is expected to be around 102 degrees out here in San Bernardino, California. Currently it's 9:30 in the morning and it's already 80 degrees, so you know it's going to be a hot one. So stick around.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
All right, guys, day one is done and over with. Let me tell you, thank God. Today's temperature did reach about 102 degrees. Currently, right now, it's about 95 degrees in this garage, and let me tell you, I am beat. Total time it took me to get Lucy to this point, it's roughly about 6 hours, and that's due to the excessive heat that we experienced today. Had to take a few breaks here and there and hydrate. Now, Lucy Lou here has got the Street Fighter look going on, and while I have her exposed, I want to go ahead and give her a good bathing, good degreasing, and get her looking to her beautiful, luscious self that she is. Now, day two's task will be the actual degreasing and bringing her back to life, removing all that grime and grease that she currently has built up over the years. Now, for you new riders out there, or you new renters, I should say, learn how to work on your bike. I hope you learned something, how to get behind some panels, how to remove some panels that you normally typically don't get behind. So it's good to always watch these type of videos, put that knowledge in your head, and in the future, if you ever need to, get behind something, you know where to go, and you've seen it done before. But today, I'm over and done with. I'm ready for a shower. I'm the Chemist, and I'll see you on day two. Peace.
The Chemist DIY Blogspot is your one-stop place where you can find all of my past and most recent video tutorials. Here, you can stay on top of my most recent posts as well as current projects that I'm working on. Each of my DIY projects are situated in a neatly categorized navigation bar and offer convenient drop-down menus to further drill into that subject's topic, if available. Within the body of the main pages is where you'll find my most recent postings on an image card, offering a brief synopsis of that video tutorial, as well as the category I have placed it in. Selecting the card of choice will bring you to that topic's page, where you can find a quick breakdown of that topic, links to all the products used in the making of that video, as well as a built-in video player link to that video located on YouTube. Check out the site, guys, leave me a post, and let me know what you think. The link to my website can be found in the description section below.